AAPEX 2010 is a natural venue for new product introductions, and nowhere is that more true than here at the Tenneco booth talking about the Monroe brand. I'm with Bill Dennie, Channel Manager for Tenneco Monroe brand.
Nice to meet you, Jim.
How are you?
Very good.
OE Spectrum, this is an entirely new brand. Tell me about it.
Since we're a global supplier, we supply OEs around the world, we've developed technology in Europe that's been used on their domestic applications. Now, their domestic applications are our foreign applications. So what we've done is we've taken the technology that we've developed over in Europe and we've brought it over to North America. And this technology is specifically designed for the foreign nameplate vehicles. And the way this product works is that we've got an impact sensor on the base assembly, and then we've also got a brand new technology in the piston, and it's called LST technology. And what we've been able to do with this shock absorber, when you specifically look at the foreign nameplate type vehicles, is we've been able to crank up the amount of control in these applications, because when most people buy a foreign nameplate, they want to feel that sporty type ride, have the control, and they want to be able to feel a difference when they replace their shock absorbers. But the one problem when you add that extra control, you tend to transmit a lot of road vibrations and a lot of harshness to the interior of the vehicle. So what this LST technology that we've developed, and it's a patent that we started over there in Europe, is it allows us to fine-tune the suspension and take that roughness out of it. So when you're running down the highway and that piston is moving at low speeds, and that's what the LST stands for, is low speed tunability, it's when that piston is moving very slightly running down the highway, we've got an extra valve in it that's patented, and it allows us to have greater calibration in regards to how that unit works.
Bill, how many part numbers do we have at rollout for OE Spectrum?
We'll be introducing over 750 new part numbers in our line in early 2011.
750?
Over 750.
That sounds like a fairly broad product coverage. We're talking about vehicles typically European brands, Volkswagen, Mercedes, BMW, Audi. Is this the sort of target market?
We're targeting every vehicle as a foreign nameplate, whether it's from Germany, Volkswagens from Japan, Hyundais, the Kias from Korea, anything that's a foreign nameplate. We're changing it from the SensaTrack brand, which is a technology. We're coming out with a new technology with the OE Spectrum, and we're targeting everything that's a passenger car foreign nameplate. So that's why you're seeing the large breadth of SKUs being affected.
Bill, a question is that Reflex, SensaTrack are generally considered by our readers upsell products over a conventional product. Is this now part of a good, better, best strategy, or is this an independent sort of brand?
We're not doing the good, better, best. In regards to our premium strut line, we have 3 different technologies that we use. We use the SensaTrack for the domestic applications. They work very well. We use the Reflex for the full-size pickup trucks and SUVs, and we're using the technology in the OE Spectrum specifically for the foreign nameplates, which once again gives us that greater control, but it doesn't give you the harshness that you get. So you don't have any choices. We as the leader in ride controllers, we're going to pick the technology that works best for every single application. We're going to put it into the box so you have one premium line to sell, but you got 3 different technologies, which allows our engineers the best way to give that consumer the best ride.
Fantastic. Bill, thanks for telling me about it.
Okay, thank you very much.